Hello, I'm making Korean food called Gimbob. It's not a sushi, but it's just similar, and it's a Korean traditional Gimbob. And it is really similar to a Japanese sushi, but it's more healthy because it has more vegetables. So I have these vegetables and other things. I have cucumber. I have a one that is called a dish, and this is radish. This is crab, and this is fish. This is carrot, and this is egg and ham. So first, I have to get the rice, and I have to just get some pieces of it. So first, I have to put the seaweed here, just right in the middle. Then I just get a piece of rice and put it in the middle. And spread it. So I finished spreading it around over here. Then I have to put all the ingredients over here. First, cucumber. You start from the edge over here. Then uwang. Then the radish. Then I put the crab. Fish. And you sprinkle the carrots just in a line. And if there's no space, you can put just in where there's space on. The last ingredient in the pan. I almost finished just rolling it. Then we put it like this, and then we cut with a knife. So it's too. Now I have finished the Gimbob. Then I can put it in a plate. You can't put it like this, then you can't see the decoration. I finished my cooking, and look what I have done. I made some Gimbob and have a lovely evening and eat and have a lovely dinner. Bye.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world